Hello. Are you supervising me? Keeping an eye on what I'm doing? Oh, are you lovely? Oh, you're an affectionate little beast, aren't you?
Hello! So today we're looking at how to clean white fiberglass sinks. We'll start the clock now. To be quite honest, these sinks have been a bit of a bane of my life. The method that I've used on the steel sinks hasn't been very effective. I've not been sure what to do to get the best finish on these sinks. So I've actually reverted back to a product that I was loath to go back to, which is cream cleaner. I found it's the best thing for getting rid of all the stubborn marks. As you can see, I'm using a magic sponge. It's absolutely shredding. The cream cleaner absolutely shreds the magic sponge. However, it does do a very good job of getting rid of all the dark marks on the sink unit. Totally shredding that sponge. Once you've cleaned it all up with the cream cleaner and the magic sponge, rinse it all off using a microfiber cloth and plenty of water just to get rid of it all out of the way. The reason I don't like cream cleaner is because it does have a tendency to leave a residue. The spray bottle that you can see there, that's just a standard oxidizing bleach, a thin bleach, which I'm spraying and leaving. And the reason why the clock's moving faster is, while this was taking effect, I'd gone off to do some work on the hob. So using a fresh magic sponge, I'm just going to clear away all the bleach. And the bleach has actually helped get rid of some of the remaining marks. I'm applying a second application, thin bleach, leaving it again while I go off and do something else on the hob. It's just a way of multitasking so that I get more things done while I'm at work. Again, just rinsing off with a magic sponge just to get rid of all the bleach. And as you can see, it's done a really good job. Now what you'll see me pointing out here, there are marks in the sink that are actually scratched on the surface and it's gone right through. Unfortunately, nothing will get rid of that. It is actually damage to the surface. So all the sink really needs now is drying up and buffing up with a dry towel. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So I'm quite chuffed with that and the customer's really happy. I'm just glad to get it looking a lot better. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe by clicking on my head, and here's a couple of other videos that you might also like. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.